Okay, so now we've determined that the clog in our liquid system is above the liquid filter, again, that's right here in the tank. So we've got a cleanup kit that has a couple different attachments that are going to help us unclog those chemical clogs. Again, this is not a debris clog because you go back to this filter and you see how fine that is. Nothing's getting past that filter of any size. So every clog we're looking at now is a chemical clog, not a physical clog. So the first thing we've got is we've got a faucet connector or garden hose. It'll connect to either one. So the faucet that's in the janitor's closet, or if you've got a hose attachment, this is a garden hose attachment. You can attach this, and now we have a liquid flow that's quite large, and it's under 35 pounds of pressure in most buildings. And then different solution lines for different parts of the equipment are going to all be fed off of this air quick disconnect. So the first one we'll show you is the one, if the clog is somewhere up inside of this black box where the foam generator is. So you notice on this end, you've got an air nip, and you also have a liquid nip. So the air nip is the non-check valve. You can see right through it, it's quite large. And then the liquid nip is check valve, and it's much smaller when you look at the two. They only can fit into the right coupler. So if I try to put my air coupler in my liquid, it's not going to work. So there's only one way to attach it. So you're going to come in here, you're going to hook your nips into the appropriate coupler, and now when we turn the water on at our source, so this nip will fit into the coupler that we have for our water solution. So that clicks on, you turn the water on, and now we've got two large 1/4-inch lines feeding water all the way through this system, down through your blue line into lower scrubbing machine, and it'll knock out any chemical debris that's in that system. Again, there's no large product that can get past that filter, so we know everything above that filter is all chemical. That'll rinse it out. If you do this on a regular basis and you don't wait for the system to clog, you'll never have a clog that way. If you only do reactionary maintenance, if you wait until something's not working, this is what you're going to have to do to get that clog out if it's in this black box. If it's in the panel here, we have to do something different. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect these. And again, this is our power source. So this we're done with. But we always use this because this is where the water's coming from. There's a single line that hooks onto this, and then our water coupler on the front now, I'm going to disconnect that. I'm going to attach this, and then when I turn the water on, instead of the chemical trying to get out this way, we're going to blow it backwards and get it out from beneath on the back side of this coupler. So to show you that, what you have to do is you have to disengage this quick disconnect that's in the back because of this tube's in the way. So the water can come out easily. So you'll take a cotton rag or something, you'll put it back here to catch it. So when you turn that on, you're blowing that clog out into that rag, so you don't have water going everywhere. As soon as you get water flow, you know the clog's been taken care of, turn the water off, and now you're good to go again. Reattach your tube, and it's back in service.